Want a professional website for your local service business in under 10 minutes? Learn how to build one with Claude using a single prompt. First, we'll set up Claude with the right prompt and design file. Then, I'll show you how to customize it and get it live. Start by going to Claude Design. Then, find your prompt for Claude. This is the prompt that I used. Now, paste in your prompt, which is in the description below. Next, go to getdesign.md to find a design file, scrolling through the website to find a design language that suits your taste. Click on any company's design language. I'll look through more here. I'm using IBM this time, so I'll click here and scroll through their details. Then click on Download Design.md. Clear out any design systems or templates so that you're working with the design system you selected. Now review the website generated. If you use a good prompt, you'll get a fully functional website that suits your design language. Check if the website is functional. Make sure the forms work. Then create hero photos. I'm using Gemini to create a photo of a wrapped van for my plumbing company. Find examples on Google for reference. Find a good example for your hero image. Download your generated photo. Insert your hero photo. Export your new website. Finally, you can select from multiple formats, like downloading the code to send to a developer to go live. Good luck with your site. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.